हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज की क्लास में हम डिसीजन मेकिंग अंडर अनसर्टेनिटी के फोर्थ टाइप के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे, जिसका नाम है मिनी मैक्स रिग्रेट क्राइटेरिया। अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस क्राइटेरिया, it is the concept of regret or the opportunity lost experienced by the decision maker after a decision is made. Opportunity loss, as we know, when we have many choices and we choose the one which we think it is best for us. ओके, दैट मीन्स दैट टाइम हम क्या कर रहे हैं, किसी अदर ऑल्टरनेटिव का सेक्रीफाइस कर रहे हैं। दैट मीन्स उससे मिलने वाला जो अपॉर्चुनिटी थी, कहीं ना कहीं उसका हम लॉस कर रहे हैं। दैट्स वाई दिस इज़ नोन एज द अपॉर्चुनिटी लॉस। ओके, तो अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस क्राइटेरिया, डिसीजन मेकर शुड अटेम्प्ट टू मिनिमाइज दिस रिग्रेट before actually taking decision of selecting a particular alternative. This criteria is also known as mini-max regret criteria. That means we have to find out minimum of the maximum regret. Okay, that means first we have to take the maximum value, after that we will take minimum. This now there are some steps which we have to follow. Step 1 is select the highest payoff available against each state of nature. That means what? We will choose the highest payoff जो हमें states of nature given है, like हमारे पुराने example में high, medium, low. These were our 3 states of nature. From these 3 states of nature, we will choose the highest payoff. Step 2, we will calculate regret for each box of the profit matrix by subtracting the payoff of each box from the maximum payoff. That means अब हमें करना क्या है, we will prepare our regret table. इसमें हम जो maximum payoff for डिफरेंट स्टेट्स के लिए चूज़ करेंगे, तो उस वैल्यू को हर एक वैल्यू में से माइनस करेंगे. आफ्टर दैट Step 3. Select the maximum regret for each alternative. Step 4. Select the minimum regret among these maximum regrets. Okay, see the example. We have different types of crops A, B, C, and we have 3 states of nature: high, medium, and low, and payoffs are already given in this. Now, to use this formula, what we have to find? First, we have to find the maximum value for different states of nature. First state is high, so which is the maximum value? It is 8,000. For medium, the maximum value is 5,000, and for the third state of nature, maximum value is 5,000, right? As you can see, we have written these values in the last of the table. Now we will prepare regret table. Next table is regret table. What we have to do? Now we will subtract all the elements from this particular value. Now for the first column it is 8,000, so we will subtract each value of this column from this 8,000. So 8,000 minus 8,000, it will give us 0. 8,000 minus 3,500, it will give 4,500, and in the third, 8,000 minus 5,000, it will give 3,000. Again we will do this thing for the second column. Second column के लिए क्या थी maximum value? It was 5,000. So we will subtract all the values of the second column from this value. We will get 500, 500, and 0. Again, for third column, maximum value is 5,000. So we will subtract each value from this column. So third table give us the regret table. Now the criteria is mini-max criteria. So now we will make another column in which we will write the maximum value for each alternative. So for crop A, which is maximum? That is 3,000. For crop B, that is 4,500, and for crop C, it is 3,000. Now These are the maximum value for each alternative. Now we will find minimum for this problem. Minimum is 3000, 3000. It is at 2 place. So farmer is free to choose either a crop A or crop B. Okay, I hope it is clear to all of you. Right, in next class we will discuss the fifth and the last criteria of this. Okay, thank you.